What's up guys? We're back! How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get these beautiful bronze, smoky, natural, goddess, goldy looking eyes using the Gold Digger palette by Motives Cosmetics. Let me just quickly show you these colors. Yes! And I'm holding my baby because he just woke up and he's not settling down. Khalifa, do you like my eyes, baby? Anyway, have a look at these eyes. And if you want to find out how to do this tutorial, then honey girl, stay tuned. Okay, now that our skin is all prepped, we're going to prep our eye, going in with the Motives Cosmetics eye base. Sorry that my baby is just in the background, but he's just about to go to sleep. Pop this all over your lid, okay, and let's go underneath as well. And this is going to give us a nice eye base so that our, geez, I just went into my contact lens, my blue contact lens, and this is going to give us a nice base so that when we apply our eyeshadow, it's got a really nice base to stick to, make the colors pop, and make it last longer, girlfriend. Isn't that what we want? And today we are using the Gold Digger palette by Motives Cosmetics. And we're going to be doing a beautiful bronze, just a natural shimmery eye. Okay, because I am going out tonight with my husband. I don't want to be too overdone. So grab your brushes, honey, and let's get to it. Now, the first color that you're going to be going in with is called Spotlight. Okay, and you're going to be putting this color straight underneath the brow bone so that when you're sort of like turning like this, you get that nice, beautiful highlight of color right underneath the brow bone. Okay, second step is to go in with these two colors here. It's called Winning and Dreamer. So this is a beautiful soft gold and almost like a burnt orange color. We're going to be putting it on top of the mobile lid and using it as a transition color. Next step is to go in with these two colors here. So I'm going to be mixing these two, and it's called Go Getter and Dreamer. So what we're going to be doing is going deeper into the crease now and carving out a crease and just start like creating the eye shape. We're going to start here and drag it all the way to this side and start blending it in, baby. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go back in with the base, the Motives eye base. And what we're going to do, we're going to just create a crease. We're going to clean up the crease, but we don't want to create any harsh lines. We want it to look ultra soft. So all I'm going to do is just use a dabbing motion. See this eye here? I'm going to just dab it all over the lid just to clean up so that when we go in with another gold color, it's going to lay on top of that and it's going to give us a nice pop of color. All right, so just dab it. Don't try and create any lines because we're going to go straight over the top of our mobile lid with a beautiful gold. Okay, so let's go back in here with these two colors, mixing them, Spotlight and Winning, and we're going to put it right here. We're going to start off with the pop of color right here. Now for our lid, which is just here on the mobile lid, we're going to go in with a beautiful gold. This one right here, which is called Hustle. I'm going to put it all over the mobile lid. Just hustle that up, baby. Don't you just love that color? And for the final part of the eye, we're going to just put, to add depth, we're going to put that dark brown just on the outer third, and we're going to bring it underneath our waterline. So mixing back these two colors, Go Getter and Dreamer, we're going to just put it here on the outer third. once you get to this stage, you're going to take a little wet wipe and we're just going to clean up underneath here, not right on the waterline. We're just going to clean up towards the brow like this. Okay. And on this side. Okay, next step is to create our wings. So I'm going to be using this one by Motives Cosmetics. It's called Luxe Precision Eyeliner. Okay, and all we're going to be doing is just lightly going along here and then giving ourselves a little wing, okay, to match this side. Let's get started, shall we? Next step is to go in with your mascara. So I'm using this one by Motives and this is called Fiber Lush in Black. And so you're going to do the top and the bottom. What I really like about this mascara is that it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's just perfect if you ask me, honey. Let's do the top and the bottom. Next, I'm going in with Motives Cosmetics, and this is eye pencil white, and it's called Angel. And I want to just line my waterline with that because I want my eyes to pop. So what this is going to do is make them appear more wide and open. Yes, let's do it. And the last and final step for your beautiful eyes today is going in with lashes if you want. For me, I don't have a lot of natural lashes, so I love using false lashes, of course. Now I'm using these ones by Hafer Magic, and these are called Velour. I really love them because they're not too overboard for me, but they give me just enough lash, okay? Now, these are human hair and you can wear them up to 30 times. So I'm going to pop them on and I shall come back to you and show you the final result. Yes. Ta-da! Yes, honey, what do you think about these lashes? What a difference they make, yeah? Oh, I just wish I had natural lashes like this, you know. But anyway, let's have a close-up at this eye look and then we'll move on to the face. That brings us to the end of this beautiful eye tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching. Khalifa, say bye-bye.
Hi.
Say bye-bye. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And if you need any help, then sound off in the comments below. I will see if I can help you. Until next time with this little koala bear baby. We will see you next time. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Khalifa, say bye-bye. Little lippies. Say bye-bye. Mwah! Bye, guys.